When we look at the ocean, it may seem calm and still. But beneath the surface, enormous rivers of water are constantly moving. These moving bodies of water are called ocean currents. They travel across entire oceans and influence the whole planet. Ocean currents are large movements of seawater. They flow through the oceans like invisible rivers. Some currents travel thousands of kilometers. They move heat, nutrients, and life across the world. Ocean currents are driven by several powerful forces. The most important are wind, Earth's rotation, and differences in water density. These forces push and guide water across the oceans. Together they create a global circulation system. Surface ocean currents are mostly created by wind. Strong winds push water across the ocean surface. Over time, this movement forms large circular flows. These circular systems are called gyres. Earth's rotation also affects ocean currents. Because the planet spins, moving water is deflected. This effect is called the Coriolis effect. It causes currents to curve instead of moving straight. Ocean currents are usually classified as warm or cold. Warm currents carry heat from the equator toward the poles. Cold currents bring cooler water toward the equator. This movement redistributes heat across the planet. One of the most famous currents is the Gulf Stream. It carries warm water from the Gulf of Mexico toward Europe. This current helps keep Western Europe warmer than expected. Without it, many regions would be much colder. Ocean currents strongly influence climate. Warm currents raise temperatures in nearby regions. Cold currents often bring cooler and drier conditions. They help shape weather patterns across continents. Currents also move nutrients through the ocean. Cold, deep water often contains many nutrients. When it rises to the surface, marine life thrives. These areas often support large fishing industries. Sometimes deep ocean water rises toward the surface. This process is called upwelling. Upwelling brings cold, nutrient-rich water upward. It creates some of the most productive ecosystems on Earth. Many ocean species depend on currents. Fish, plankton, and other organisms travel with moving water. Currents help distribute life across vast distances. They are essential to the ocean's food chain. Deep ocean currents form a system called the thermohaline circulation. This system moves water through all the world's oceans. It is sometimes called the global conveyor belt. This slow circulation helps regulate Earth's climate. Temperature and salt levels change water density. Cold and salty water becomes heavier and sinks. Warmer water is lighter and rises. These differences drive deep ocean currents. Ocean currents connect all the oceans together. They transport energy around the planet. This movement stabilizes Earth's climate system. Without currents, our world would be very different. Ocean currents also affect human life. They influence fishing, shipping routes, and weather systems. Understanding currents helps scientists predict climate changes. They are vital for both nature and society. Which ocean current helps keep Western Europe warmer than expected? A. Humboldt Current. B. Gulf Stream. C. Antarctic Current. D. California Current.